Good evening, everyone, and welcome back on this Thursday. Meteorologist Katie Alexander in for Curtis Grevenitz this evening. He's off. So we had some snow kind of rolling through the Treasure State today. Didn't really show up on the radar. There's a little bit of snow on the roads in Great Falls. Right now, sitting at 20 degrees in the Electric City, but with the wind, it's feeling a little chillier than that. So feeling like teens out there. It's pretty chilly. It's going to be even chillier later on tonight. 23 degrees right now in the capital city, and we had that persistent but light snow for today. But on the radar, it didn't really show up. So if you were checking the radar, looking outside, kind of wondering what was going on, just sometimes in Montana with the terrain, the radar doesn't really tell the whole story here. So it looks like there's a little bit of snow up near Glasgow at the moment, but for the most part, any snow that's falling is light enough that it's not being caught on the radar. And as the evening goes on, that's going to move out. Now we are going to get some sunshine and slightly warmer temperatures for Friday, but a couple of watches and warnings to get to. So this area here, western Montana, the northern Rocky Mountain front, also Helena and Great Falls are under a winter storm watch, and this is in anticipation of some wintry weather that is headed our way here on Saturday evening and into Sunday. So we're going to get some snowfall and some higher winds here for the weekend, and that if you're doing any traveling for the holidays this weekend, it is probably going to get a little rough out there, so you're definitely going to want to check the conditions before you hit the road. There's also a high wind watch. Now this is also in anticipation of weather that's not happening just yet, but it is about to. So late Friday night is when the winds are really going to pick up. They're going to be increasing throughout the day tomorrow. Pretty calm right now and for tomorrow morning, but as the evening wears on, that is when things are really going to pick up. So you can see in the afternoon and evening things picking up, and then overnight, Friday night into Saturday morning is when things get really strong. So of course that will be concentrated off the Rocky Mountain front, but that high wind watch is also in effect for Cascade County and Lewis and Clark County as well. So we're not exempt from that high wind watch here in Helena and Great Falls. We're also going to get that snow rolling through. That's what's causing that winter storm watch for Saturday. So the snow that's in the area right now will be moving out tomorrow, some sunshine. So we will get a quick break before all of this severe weather comes in, but you can see by Friday that big system off to our northwest, that's what's going to be causing all of this wintry weather here over the weekend. So Saturday we will be above freezing, so could get a little bit of rain before the snow, and then as temperatures drop, all that rain freezing with snow on top of it. It's going to be a slippery situation out there for Saturday, and especially Sunday with even more snow coming our way for Sunday as well. So it's going to be pretty wintry out there for this weekend. Not a whole lot in terms of snowfall accumulation for the rest of today and tomorrow, but you can see by Saturday evening lots of snow falling on the Continental Divide and in southwestern Montana, and then Sunday into Monday, that snow continuing for the end of 2018. It's going to be a snowy end to the year and a chilly end as well. Tonight, temperatures down in the teens, some areas in the single digits. It's going to be a very chilly night tonight, and then in the coming nights too, it's going to stay pretty chilly out there as well. So especially New Year's Eve, it's going to be pretty cold out there and snowy. It's just kind of a perfect storm of all of these elements together with the chilly and snowy and wintry weather. Tomorrow we are going to reach a couple of degrees higher than we did for today. So still not reaching the freezing point or breaking the freezing point for most areas tomorrow. Mid-20s, low 30s for the highs tomorrow afternoon, but that is a couple of degrees warmer than today, if you can believe that. So here's the 7-day forecast, looking pretty wintry out there for the end of 2018, beginning of 2019. I know there's kind of a mixed feeling about this, single digits on the 7-day forecast, but also some snow. So that's exciting. We haven't really had a lot of snow here yet in December, so it's exciting to be able to start the new year with a fresh coat of snow and lots of winter sports to enjoy.
And another reason to be careful on the roads New Year's Eve.
That too, yes.
Thanks for that, Katie.